Welcome, here I've got Oppo A72 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first you have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and as you can see one of this is the pro mode, called also as an expert mode. So when we tap on this we can easily get access to it, and the pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar, and let's focus at the first place at this button from the left. This is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. As you can see we have access to this slider, and we can make our camera less or more sensitivity. So by going to the right we make it more sensitive, and by going to the left we make it less sensitive. So this is how it worked here. And after turn it on manual, this slider, sometimes we want to go back to the auto settings. We can just simply turn back by tapping on this button with A letter here. So this is how it works. And now let's move to the next one button. Here by tapping on this we can change the time of taking picture, and as you can see we have also this slider. We can pick from 1/8,000 of seconds, which is very short, to the 32 seconds of taking picture, which is very long. So this is really pretty wide spectrum here. And also to go back to the auto settings we can just simply tap on this button here with A letter. And let's move to the next one button. This is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. As you can see we get access to this slider. By going to the right we can make our picture just more warm, and by going to the left we can make it more cold, as you can see. So this is how it works. And of course to go back to the auto white balance we just simply tap on this icon here. And let's move to the next one button. This is the focusing. So here we can change autofocus to the manual focus, and by using this slider we can easily focusing like that. So this is how it works. Of course when we want to go back to the autofocus we just simply tap on this A letter here. And let's go to the next one button, which is the last one here. This is the exposure compensation. So here we can control the light of our picture, and by going to the right by using the slider we can make our picture just more bright or more dark by going to the left. So this is how it works here. And for now let me take a photo. And to get access to the gallery, just simply tap on this button here in the left corner at the bottom. So this is our picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.